Breaking down gender-neutral pronouns. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're tackling an incredibly important subject, gender-neutral pronouns. As our society becomes more inclusive, it's vital to understand and use these pronouns correctly. They ensure respectful and fair communication, helping us build a more understanding world. So, let's get started. When we talk about pronouns, we typically think about he, she, and they, referring to he or she for singular and they for plural. But what if someone doesn't identify as either male or female, or doesn't want to specify their gender? Here's where gender-neutral pronouns come into play. A gender-neutral pronoun is a pronoun that does not associate a gender with the individual or individuals being discussed. In English, the most common gender-neutral pronouns are singular, they, them, their, theirs, and themselves. Understanding and using gender-neutral pronouns is not just about being politically correct. It's about showing respect for everyone's individual identities. By using someone's correct pronouns, we acknowledge their identity and dignity. That's why it's essential to make an effort to learn about gender-neutral pronouns and use them correctly. Let's dive into some examples. Imagine you found a wallet and don't know who it belongs to. You might say, "Someone left their wallet here. I hope they come back to get it." See how we've used their and they. These are gender-neutral pronouns. In this case, we use them because we don't know the gender of the person who left the wallet. They can be used as a singular pronoun. If someone tells you that their preferred pronouns are they, them, their, theirs, or themselves, try to use these pronouns when you refer to them. For example, Alex said they lost their notebook. Can you help them find it? Notice that the sentence still makes sense, and we are respecting Alex's pronoun preference. In addition to they, other gender-neutral pronouns have been coined, like sie, hier, zir, sie, and them, among others. These are less common, but you may still encounter them, particularly in written form or within certain communities. For example, instead of he laughed or she laughed, you might say sie laughed. And instead of I called him or I called her, you might say I called here. In conclusion, using gender-neutral pronouns is an important part of respecting people's identities. By practicing and using these pronouns, we contribute to a more inclusive and understanding society. I hope this video has helped clarify what gender-neutral pronouns are and how to use them. Remember, it's perfectly okay to ask for someone's pronouns, and it's essential to use them correctly once you know them. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing your English.